Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. It is our fourth Wakanda panning project. So today is our fourth installment on the panning project and I'm excited. Yay! Before we start, today's encouraging word is I am resourceful. I am resourceful. Now, I start the panning project. The product I have a lot of. I chose the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder, Translucent Loose Setting Powder by Laura Mercier. I took the sifter out so I can show you what I have left. This is what I have left. This is what I've left. Progress, 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 progress. Yay, 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 yeah. Progress. I'm excited. That is the product I have a lot of. Now, the next product is buy something I regret buying, which is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector, medium to deep. This thing works, but it doesn't work. You know what I mean? If you use it, very likely it works. So I don't use it under my eye per se. I use it all over my face. So this is what I have left. It's a lot, so a little goes a long way. So that is a regret buy because I don't reach for it enough. Regret buy because I don't reach for it enough. Becca Under Eye Brightening. My next product, which is a product that is brilliant, is my BFF Perfecting Concealer Longwear by Elle Maquillage. This is it right here. This is where I am right now with it. So as you can see, I am using it. It is a corrector. I get to put it on the dark spots around here, and sometimes I put it all over my face just to even it out. Just a little bit goes a long way because you don't want to look too orange. So that is the product that is brilliant. We are making progress in the right direction. I'm remembering to use it. Next one is the most expensive product that I have. It is the Elle Maquillage Foundation. The shade is 210 and the foundation is called Woke Up Like This. You can see the clear section of it if I turn it around. So you can see where I am. I mark it so you can see where it is. It is right there. We're almost there. We are almost there. Thank you, Julia, for the panning project. And the next product in the panning project is a product you can use up in a breeze. And I choose e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I can never hold this thing right. e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and this one is the hydrating one. Yes, this is what I have left in there. These are the products that I have in my panning project. 5 products. And the progress is right along, coming very nicely, and I am so happy. Julia from Accessorize Your Life came up with this panning project. If anyone would love to join the Wakanda panning project, reach out and DM Accessorize Your Life on IG. And her name is Julia. Thank you all again for watching. I appreciate it very much. Please like, share, subscribe, and I, Simply You Makeup V, will see you in the next video.